Auto Obsessed here. If you're at all familiar with the automotive detailing marketplace, you'll know that CarPro has been a consistent leader in innovating new detailing products. Famous examples of CarPro products are CarPro Iron X, iron remover, CarPro Pearl, coating and protectant, and the CarPro C-Quartz line of ceramic nano coatings. We use CarPro products all the time on cars that visit our detailing studio, and CarPro is hugely popular with our detailing customers across Canada at both the professional and enthusiast level. This month, the chemists and product designers at CarPro have announced a mass of 10 new detailing products. In this video, I'll introduce each of these 10 items and show you how they can help you do a better job in your detailing projects. Check it out. CarPro has 10 new products. They have 4 new liquid products, 6 new Hardgoods products, and also some new sharp-looking packaging to go along with them. So let's dive into the maintenance bag first. This is an upgrade version from their previous maintenance bag. It's very attractive. Right off the bat, you see it's covered in a very attractive rubberized splash-proof material to protect it against leaking. It also has a insulated barrier to help protect against high temperatures. It has 8 new pockets in it now that are adjustable, so you could adjust it to fit the 500 ml bottles, 1 liter bottles, 4 ounce bottles. It comes with a carrying strap, the CarPro microfiber towel. Inside it also has some 4 ounce sizes, so a 4 ounce of Reset, 4 ounce of EC H2O, 2 empty bottles to do concentrate mixing. Also has Reload, Bug Out, and Pearl. So that'll get you started. You can fill it up with all your other CarPro products or any other detailing products you have. It's a great compact size, will fit in most trunks. Beautiful. It has, you may not be able to see it in the cameras, but it has almost a carbon fiber look to it. Quite attractive and a great new addition for the CarPro lineup. CarPro innerqq. This is an interior quick detailer that is quick and easy to use. It has anti-static and antimicrobial properties. It can be used throughout the interior on nearly any surface to remove fingerprints, dust, and light soiling. It leaves a slight satin finish. It's dry to the touch and leaves a streak-free layer that helps reduce overall dust. It's easy to use. You simply spray onto a microfiber towel and clean the surface evenly. The anti-static and antimicrobial properties last approximately a week depending on the variables. The CarPro innerqq is an interior quick detailer for light cleaning. For heavier cleaning, you might want to use CarPro Inside. CarPro Retire. This is designed for easy cleansing of tires from built-up tire dressings, road film, browning. It provides a clean new tire look and prepares the surface to apply CarPro Blackout, CarPro Pearl, or your favorite tire dressing. It has a high pH, which makes it easy to work with for stripping off stubborn filth. It has a foaming property, which is really nice because that allows the product to cling on to the tire, making it easier for you to work with. Rinse the tire well, spray Retire generously onto the rubber, let it foam and dwell for approximately 60 seconds. You can also spray this onto a brush and agitate. Rinse the rubber and brush thoroughly. Repeat until the suds on the rubber are white. So if they're still coming out brown or kind of that orangey brown, it still means you have silicones or previous tire dressings. So do that a couple times until you see the suds are clean. After that, dry fully, and then you can go ahead and apply CarPro Blackout, CarPro Pearl, or your favorite tire dressing. This product can also be used as a wheel cleaner on most OEM clear-coated, painted, or chrome finished wheels. CarPro released a new version of Spotless. This has upgraded chemical formula with stronger acids to break down mineral deposits on the painted surfaces before they can etch into the finish. Using Spotless 2.0 to remove mineral deposits and water spots can also potentially help to prolong the life of the paint by negating the need for polishing to remove the water spots. It can be used on all C-quartz coatings, helping keep your vehicle spot-free. Simply spray Spotless over the surface, maybe a towel or a brush, and spread over a small affected section. Allow to dwell approximately 30 to 60 seconds for Spotless to start breaking down the mineral deposits. Then wipe off with a damp microfiber towel. Rinse the area thoroughly before moving on to the next area. When you're finished using Spotless, go ahead and do a thorough car wash. CarPro D-Scale. This is an all-new acidic car shampoo created to help remove and strip stubborn minerals from coated and non-coated cars. Minerals sometimes seen as water spots will clog and cause the surface to be less smooth. D-Scale breaks down the buildup of the minerals that reduce the gloss and restores the smoothness of the ceramic coating. If your vehicle is missing the hydrophobic properties, for example, due to mineral buildups on the coating, then this will solve the lack of the beading issue. D-Scale is not a shampoo for a regular wash of a waxed or sealed car because it can alter and even remove most waxes and sealants. To use this product, dilute 1 to 100 for bucket washing and 1 to 10 for using a foam cannon. If you have light contamination, use D-Scale as a snow foam and allow maximum dwell time before rinsing without letting it dry. For heavier contamination, wash panel by panel, starting with horizontal panels. Wash the panel and allow D-Scale to dwell for as long as possible without letting it dry. Repeat if necessary and thoroughly rinse with water. Follow it by hand washing. And CarPro also released some new Hardgoods products. Along with that, they have some really nice new packaging. So you'll see this packaging start coming out as it's available. So two of the new detailing products are CarPro Measure and CarPro XL Detailing Brush. So the detailing brush, this is a larger version. So you already saw CarPro had out their two detailing brushes. This is a large XL version. Beautiful, nice, soft nylon bristles. Very, very rugged handle. Branded nicely with the CarPro logo, and again comes in the new packaging now. Okay, another product is the CarPro Measure. So this is a nice tool to help you dispense the exact amount of product that you're looking for. On the side has the measurements. So you basically just use the included straw. You cut it to the appropriate length. It actually has some markings on here for ½ liter, 1 liter size. You would just cut it to the appropriate length of the bottle you're going to use it on. Put the straw into the measuring tool. The measuring tool just simply screws on to a standard bottle size. You squeeze the bottle, fill up the liquid to the appropriate level that you're going to measure to, and then the top just opens up and you just pour the measured out liquid into your bottle. So a great little tool, quite useful. It's also nicely branded with the CarPro logo and also comes in the new packaging. And CarPro has also released 3 new microfiber mitts. They weren't available at the time of this video was made, so we'll introduce them to you and have them available for sale as soon as they're released from CarPro. The first mitt is the CarPro Glass Mitt. This is a 2-sided microfiber mitt. One side has a microfiber waffle weave and the other side has the CarPro glass fiber blend, which we've seen in the CarPro glass fiber towel, and it's worked extremely well. Cleaning glass is not easy and usually requires 2 types of towels, and CarPro has incorporated this into their glass mitt. The next new mitt is called the CarPro Wheels Mitt. This mitt also has 2 sides. One side has a coarse fabric for strong agitation and dirt removal, and the other side is made with a soft microfiber for more delicate cleaning. And the third mitt is the CarPro Dab Dab Wash Mitt. So that's CarPro and then Dab Dab, which is D-A-B-D-A-B, Wash Mitt. This is a new super soft wash mitt made with a special blend of long and short fibers to safely remove dirt during washes on either coated or non-coated vehicles. It features a stiffer core that works better on the contours of the bodywork. It also has a double-sided design which allows you to carry more water and shampoo from the bucket to the vehicle. So stay tuned, and you're going to want to check out all the new CarPro products either in store or online at autoobsessed.com. You can also follow the links in the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the notification icon to get notified when we release new videos. We will be releasing new videos soon, so don't miss out. And thank you for watching.